Guys, discipline is very important in every field, in every situation. And I break my consistency, I break my discipline past few days. And I felt this situation whenever I switch my consistency, whenever I switch my continuously like doing the practice, like improving English, then I feel like I'm stuck in and my mind goes blank whenever I try to speak like in very fluency way. It happened with me. I don't know if it happened with everyone. I don't know. But whenever I switch my journey and then I break like 2 days, 10 days, 5 days, okay, 15 days, then I faced like I am facing a problem that is speaking fluency. It happened with me nowadays. And second, I break my consistency because of some reason. I face some problem, some health issues, so that's why I'm not able to continue my journey. But today I restart my journey. Today I feel like, okay, let's restart this journey, okay, and let's try to make a video in front of camera. So today I restart my journey to improving, to learning something new and making notes. And you can see, guys, I am practicing to this for English improvement. And now I started my journey and making video in front of camera. I try to make video, but I don't know how to speak more fluently because it's very huge gap. I think 10 or 15 days is a very huge gap. If you switch any your journey, then again you restart your journey. That is a very big mistake for everyone. Or so now I'm trying to speak at least 5 minutes, at least 10 minutes in front of camera. Okay, try to make a video, try to record a video, like a vlog type of video. And you see, guys, here is my balcony, and you can see, guys, there one tripod and with the ring light, and here is my chair. And tomorrow morning, I was planning to record a video in front of camera related to English improvement, related to English fluency, but I didn't record any type of video because of whenever I start recording a video and I was sit here that time I felt like I'm facing some issue, that is grammar mistakes and using so many filler words whenever I try to speak in front of camera. So then I switched and then I like paused myself and okay, let's retry again after some time. And then I felt like, yeah, it happened with me, and it's a very weak point for me. Whenever I switched my journey and again I restart my journey, then I felt like that is a problem. And so I felt this. Okay, so if you are learning this language, if you are improving this language, if you are improving this communication skill, then keep learning every day. Try to maintain your consistency every day. So consistency matter a lot and discipline matter a lot. And here you can see, guys, the weather is very cool, very rainy season. You can see the weather is very rainy. I think today we will enjoy rain, I think. And here you can see so much greenery near me. Okay, so I'm trying to record a video because I want to continue my journey because there are so many people, they join my YouTube channel, they subscribe me because they really want to improve from scratch level and they started journey with me past 6 to 7 months ago. So that's why I restart again my journey, and that is very mandatory for everyone. So I think that's why I'm making a video like vlog type of video. So if you are facing a lot of problem, if you're facing like any problem related to your fluency, related to your consistency, then just find out your find out your like problem and get a right solution, and then restart your journey because improvement matter a lot. Fluency does not matter. Matter is consistency and discipline. Okay, fluency definitely come after a few months, after a few days. If you continuously focus on your like discipline and consistency, like consistently making a video in front of camera, consistently speaking practice, and do speaking practice every day with everyone, with strangers, with beginners, with intermediate level persons, then you will definitely reach out any goal. So now I will try to record myself Not every day, but at least in week I record at least 2 to 3 video for beginner level person and for my improvement also. And whenever I record myself, then I learn new things. Then I improve my like hesitation. Then I improve my a lot of things, and it's really helpful for me. And I will try to make a record like a vlogging type of video and education type of videos because I want to improve this language. So okay, I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.